Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. I am back with another Zombicide Green Horde mini. This time it is Kelsey. He was primed in German Panzer Grey, and I start off with Plague Brown for all of the lighter robe he's wearing. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share what you've been hobbying on and vote on video ideas. Also stream on Twitch where you can come hang out and chat. I stream Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Next up is the top robe that starts off with Royal Purple. While getting this purple on, I want to take a second just to thank Eastern Gaming for being the first supporter on my Ko-fi page. He's now gained priority voting in Discord as well as a supporter role just to show off to everyone else. If you would like to help support the channel and help me get some new equipment, check out my Ko-fi page using the link in the description. Now that the Plague Brown is dry, I come back and use Desert Yellow to do a lighter coat over the majority, leaving that Plague Brown around the edge where the trim is on the artwork. I then used Sunny's skin tone for all of his exposed skin. That beard of his has like a two-tone blend in the artwork, so I start off with sun yellow as the all-over base layer. The next layer of his robes is skeleton bone, leaving some of that desert yellow in the recesses to help give it a bit of shadow. To highlight the top robe, I used hex lichen. This is just for those raised tops and the sort of edges. For the staff and some of the details around him, I used charred brown. Starting on the fade for the beard, I've done the bottom half using Fire Lizard. Being orange, this is a pretty transparent, so it should not overpower that yellow too much. There is a bit of trim on the center part of the robe that I edged with greedy gold. I did also notice a small amulet just under the beard, so I added that in as well. To finish up the bottom robe before the washes, I went over all the tops and raised parts with elfic flesh. Starting off the washes, I used purple tone for all of that top robe. The second wash is light tone for everything else except for the beard. For the beard, I used red tone all over it, but trying to brush it towards the end just to sort of stain the orange more than the yellow. Finally, I gave the base a quick once over of black. And that will be it for Kelsey. There's not much to him in terms of detail, he's pretty much all robe. As always, there will be photos of this guy on my Instagram and Ko-Fi page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. There you can vote on video ideas and share anything you've been working on. If you want to help support the channel more than you already are by watching, I have a Ko-Fi page where you can drop a one-off tip getting me better equipment to work with. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.